Adriana Caballero at Libertas Real Estate in the Caballero Group. Today I'm out here in North Suprise at this beautiful brand new community. This community comes standard with 8-foot RV gates that you can see here behind me. They start with 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes at 1,580 square feet, and then they go up to 3,018 square feet with the possibility of 5 bedrooms. These properties start just under $252,000, and on some select floor plans, a workshop or up to a 5-car garage is an option here. This is a rare find for a price like this, guys, and right now with interest rates so low, this is a great investment and a great time to take advantage of these prices and rates. The preferred lender here offers $5,000 towards your closing costs, and with down payment assistance, you have the potential to move into the property with $1,500 or less. Give me a call, text, or PM today for more information or a tour. 623-229-6609.